Are you prepared to unleash the creativity and technological potential of young people's minds? Welcome to an exciting adventure as we explore the world of storytelling with a dash of artificial intelligence, AI. Today, we'll demonstrate how to use the amazing powers of artificial intelligence to write engaging kids' stories. Prepare yourself for an exciting journey as we examine the tools and strategies that will enable you to bring your stories to life like never before. We are going to guide you through each stage, equipping you to produce remarkable experiences for young readers, from coming up with inventive storytelling to creating amazing visuals. AI-assisted storytelling is about to start, so be ready to let your imagination go wild. There are 4 steps to generate a kid's stories videos by AI. Step 1. Generating a story through Chat GPT. The first stage is to produce a story utilizing OpenAI's excellent language model, Chat GPT. With its extensive training on text, Chat GPT can produce imaginative and captivating stories. It is a potent instrument that can help you with your creative process. You can communicate with Chat GPT and create original kids' stories by creating an account at chat.openai.com. To get started, use prompts like, "Once upon a time, there was a magical," or "In a land far away, there lived a brave." You can influence the course of your story by personalizing these prompts. Ask questions, explore the many stories, and interact with ChatGPT. Keep an open mind and let your creativity soar. Step 2. Doing voiceover by yourself. You now have a story to tell, so use your voice to make it come to life. You'll need a recording tool for this step, such as a smartphone or a PC with a microphone. Finding a peaceful area where you won't be disturbed is crucial when recording a voiceover. Start by reading the story aloud while including various tones and voices to keep the attention of young listeners. You are free to provide sound effects or give each character their own voice. Your audience will be captivated by this, and the story will become more immersive. Use Adobe Podcast to enhance the quality of voiceover. Use Adobe Podcast, a capable audio editing program, to improve your voiceover. Register for an account at adobe.com. You can improve the sound quality of your recorded audio by uploading it to Adobe Podcast. Examine the many tools of Adobe Podcast to change the volume levels, eliminate background noise, and apply unique effects to the audio to make it sound engaging and professional. Take your time to experiment with and fine-tune the audio until you are happy with the outcome. Step 3. Generating images through Willow. Let's now use Willow, an online image generator, to produce eye-catching visuals for your story. Willow offers a platform where you may use images to aesthetically enhance the characters and scenes in your story. Create an account at bluewillow.ai to get going. You can start creating visuals that correspond to the situations and characters in your story as soon as you log in. You can produce images that complement the plot of your story with the aid of Willow's AI-driven image production technology. Several customization possibilities are available from Willow. You can choose from suggestions like draw a friendly dragon in a magical forest, or create a joyful scene with animals playing together. The AI is guided by these questions to produce images that precisely complement your tale. Try out various questions and alter the visuals that are produced to fit your story. For your kids' story video, Willow's user-friendly interface makes it simple to build visually attractive scenes and characters. Step 4. Video editing with Inshot. The time has finally come to compile everything and produce the story film for your kids. Inshot, a flexible video editing program accessible on mobile devices and desktop computers, will be used for this step. Install the Inshot app on your smartphone first, or go to inshot.com to view the desktop version. Let's start editing your video after creating an account. You can import the images that Willow's image generator produced into Inshot's video editor. Create a visual storyboard by arranging them in the sequence that best serves your story. You may then picture how your plot progresses using this. From Adobe Podcast, import your improved voiceover, and use Inshot to sync it with the images. You can easily align the narration with the graphics thanks to the app's exact audio editing options. To make the environment more interesting for your young audience, Inshot gives you the option of including background music in addition to the images and audio. You can either upload your own music or select from Inshot's vast collection of kid-friendly songs to increase the emotional impact of your story. Take the time to preview your video once it has been edited to your satisfaction and make any required changes. Make sure the voiceover, background music, and images all mesh well together by watching it through to the end. Export the video and save it to your device if you're satisfied with the outcome. The amazing journey of employing AI to write stories for kids is now complete. You've seen how to use the storytelling potential of Chat GPT. Narrate your stories with your voice and Adobe Podcast. Make eye-catching images with Willow and edit it all together using Inshot. It's now time for you to apply everything you've learned and begin writing your own wonderful stories. Share them with the world and see how your imagination captures the attention of young people. So go ahead and use the power of AI and storytelling to produce something truly remarkable. Remember, the world requires more enthralling stories, and you have the power to create them. Don't forget to click the bell icon and the subscribe button to receive updates on our newest videos. Until next time.